friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing tonight? I am here tonight to share a little bit of something I won here. I won a little journal from Samantha Jarrad, and I was so excited because I saw her where she made them, and then she did her little flip through on them, and it was so, I love those two journals. They're so cute. So I got this in the mail. And it's wrapped up, so I have not opened it. You can see it's still taped up here, so I can't wait. I'm super excited to see it in person. So I'm just going to go ahead and open here. She's got it wrapped up with this pretty purple paper and some washi. Some neat washi, actually. So I'm going to show you this book in a minute, but we're going to do the journal first. So welcome to my channel tonight. And come look at this journal with me. I mean, it's so cute. Okay, let me move this over here. So cute. I love the ribbon. I love the whole vintage look of this little package here. So this looks like the journal, and this is a little goodie bag. So what should we look at first? Shall we look at the journal first? Okay, let's do it. I love this little tie around here. It's perfect for this journal. And so we'll just untie that. I just want to look at it, you know what I mean? So we've got a little, okay, this is a note from her. Let me see. She just says thank you and, you know, some other nice things here. So this is cool ledger paper too. I love when there's, you know, notes. The notes are written on different things, you know, that I haven't used before, and it gives me ideas on what, you know, I mean, it's so cute, just on a little piece of ledger scrap, you know, something different. And I'm going to put, I have a pile of these to put in a friend book that I need to start. I haven't even started it yet, but this will be neat to put in a friend book. You know, I can do a little, you know, a little flip up of it. So just really neat idea there. Okay, so this is the journal. I love it. So cute. Here's a vintage label, it looks like on the back, a Denison label. And I know I saw her flip through, but I'm going to try to just let you look at it and not try to describe it because I didn't make it. So, but I'll just tell you what I'm seeing is the layers here. So pretty, and it's all distressed. And here's the binding, really cute. Matches. Okay, let's open her up. So we've got a little pocket here, so cute. And the tag matches this page right here, the inside of the cover. The tag matches, see the paper, green and flowers. Oh, and here's a little tiny Denison label. Isn't that adorable? Very cute. I love that. That is the smallest one I've seen ever. That is cute. That's adorable. So there's a little pocket there. So cute. And so it looks like all the pages are distressed. You see it on the outside, the brown, on the outside of all the pages. And so this was made out of I think it was was it a straw envelope? So it's a really neat envelope, the brown color of the envelope. And the size is really cool. This looks like Edith Holden paper. And we've got, she's got washi here on this edge. And some ledger, pretty ledger with the pink and blue. And there's, is it two? It's different on this side, it's just lines like that. And then there's different lines on this side. And then here is another different color. This is whiter. You know, like this is looks more aged, and this is white. And then this is aged on this side. Interesting. So I'm trying to figure out how she did that. So some ledger, anyway, some ledger papers. That's neat. Okay, so let me see if I'm looking at this right. Okay, so it looks like this. All right, okay, I got it. There we go, ledger papers. And this looks like it's from a recipe book, possibly, or some other book or magazine. She might have said she had some pages from the work basket. So this might be from the work basket. women's magazine. And here's a piece of coffee dyed or aged paper. Some more pretty ledger. Some more neat paper from maybe the work basket or some other. It's got like a diagram here, so it's maybe something else. The crane, it says here. Neat. I like stuff like that. Some pretty ledger. And, oh, this is neat feeling. Not sure what that is. That's neat. This is so cute. Here's the middle. It's a pretty ledger. So this is the front. This is the middle. Okay. I love the dark edges. Ledger. Okay, so we're on the back half here. She's got some more washi here in the middle. And it's very vintagey looking. Some more diagrams here. Very cute. I love it. Really has a lot of room to write. Wow, I love it, Samantha. So cute. Okay, here's the back. We've got more layering here, like kind of like the front. Same papers, but in a different order. Is this masking paper? That's neat. And she's cut it like a torn edge. I like that. All the way around, torn edges. Let's see, the front is torn edges. And this is torn edges. That looks good. Yeah, I like that. Neat. Okay, then here's the envelope. See, I've never seen these envelopes either. Okay, so yeah, it has a gusset. Isn't that nice? So let me see how that works. Okay, so it opens up really wide. You can get a lot in there if you wanted to. So here's a couple of pieces in here. Let's see what we have. Let's see. So some little pieces I can play with and do some layering or whatever. It's a journaling card. Oh, this is the nameplate. This book belongs to. Isn't that? That's a pretty one. And it's cardstock. Very nice. Thank you, Samantha. So cute. I love it. So let me see. Get them back in there. I think those were in the back, but and then here's a journaling card made out of cardstock in the same layering papers. This one, some of this with the numbers. That's really neat paper, and another label. That is cool. It's hard. I think it's hard to get a hold of these. Then if this is a vintage label, I'm not sure. It looks like it is. So very, very neat. Okay, and that fits right in there. So nice. And then you just can go like that with the flap, or you can probably go like that if you wanted to, but I'll keep it like this. That just looks perfect. Thank you, Samantha. So cute. I was so excited when I won. I couldn't believe it. Just love that. So cute. Okay, let's see what's in the goodie bag. We have a clip here, which is really neat. I don't have any of these and never have had any of these, so very cute. I love those clips. And this is, let's see what we have here. Let's see, we have a bag, pretty little bag with scalloped on the top, and this might be a rubber stamping, possibly. Or maybe it was printed on there. It's so perfect, I can't tell. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Some goodies. So we've got, oh, this is cool. Love mushrooms. So we've got some mushrooms. And these are like, what, acetate? These are neat. I've never had any of these either, so these will be fun for me. Awesome. Thank you, Samantha. I've never had any of these before. Are they stickers? I think they are stickers. I think I saw her use them. So I think these are stickers. These are neat. And they're really pretty when you put them down on a page or paper or whatever. Really neat. Butterfly, bird, a flower, and another flower. Cool. Thank you. A tag. Pretty tag. I love anything craft colored. And here, maybe this is either rubber stamping or someone drew that. Or maybe Samantha drew that on there. Looks like doodling. That's neat. That's art right there. That's cool. And here's this is her card. Awesome. That's cute. I love it. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute, isn't it? Awesome. Thank you. And this is a beautiful tag here, like double-sided, and then this is so pretty right here with a little circle punch out. That is pretty. Oh, some washi. Thank you. Neat. That's awesome. Some of that pretty washi. I think she maybe used some of this one. And I'm not sure about the other ones if they're in there, but these are really pretty too, and they match. So cute. Thank you. Such different stuff that I'm used to seeing. And this is a card, double-sided. Very pretty, vintagey looking one. Thank you so much, Samantha. Those are so awesome. Such nice goodies. Wow. Thank you so much. Okay. Well, I don't know if I can get that all back in there right now. I don't think it all came out of there. So let me put that away in a minute and put this over to the side because I have one more thing to show you. And this is from, this is a little book I got from Alia. I'm on that no spend, committed to the no spend challenge through January 1st. So I saw Alia have this book, and I love this book because I had it once before when I first started making journals over 4 years ago. So, and I made a journal out of this. This is one of the first books I used to make a journal, and it was so pretty. And it was purchased pretty quickly, one of the first journals I sold. So when I saw it again, I was like, oh my goodness, that's that book that I love that I sold so quickly. It was gone. But just love this cover, flowers. I made a garden journal out of it. So it had this cover, and it has this really pretty back. And Alia had it, and I was like, it didn't sound like she had exact plans for it. So I said, well, do you want to trade, something for it? And so I, sent her something, and she sent me this book, and it's just awesome, pretty, beautiful book. I just love this book. I knew how pretty it was because I had had it before in person, so I knew it was beautiful and looked beautiful on camera. But let's see. Oh, this is just something I stuck in there, I believe. Yeah, something from work. She sent me a nice, pretty card here, and I forgot she asked me what else do I need. And I mentioned postage stamps, and so I was opening it. This was in the card, and in the envelope. And I was like, what is this? I was like, oh yeah, she sent me some stamps. I forgot that I had mentioned that she was sending me stamps, and she sent me in stamps in this pretty little glassine envelope. And I haven't opened it yet. So it looks like, you can fit a lot of stamps in a little envelope like this. So there looks like there's actually a bunch in here. And I use postage stamps a lot. And recently, I thought I had a bunch of postage stamps, and I thought I would never use them up. And then all of a sudden, they were gone. And so I've been trying to collect them. The only place I've never bought postage stamps. I only collect them from work. When I open the mail, usually at work, and I cut them off of envelopes. And so that's where I get my postage stamps. I did get one little envelope full of postage stamps from a little, on a Facebook group. There was a nice friend there that was asking if anybody wanted postage stamps, and all we had to do was send her an envelope with a self-addressed stamped envelope, and she would send us some postage stamps. And I was like, oh yes, I can use postage stamps. So she sent me some, but I've used all those. So these are really pretty. Thank you, Alia. Oh my goodness, there's a lot here. Look at these, how many there are. And they're like foreign countries and so many colorful. So these are just so perfect for what I use them for, because these are not the type of stamps I cut off of envelopes. You know what I mean? These are special. These are neat. Thank you so much. There's a little church on that one. Just so cute. They're little works of art. You know what I mean? I just love postage stamps. They're so cool. This has a train. I'll just show you real quick. We won't go through every one, but so cool. Awesome. Thank you. There's a bunch here. These will last me a little while, hopefully. But awesome. Thank you, Alia. And thank you, Samantha. And I'll be back, and I'll talk to you all soon. So happy crafting, and have a nice weekend. Thank you. Good night.